All right, guys, we're going to do lesson 27, day 3. Please make sure that you are on page 216 in your phonics journal. So go ahead and have that opened up and make sure you're following along with me. Okay. Now, I'm going to say the word. You're going to repeat after me. Here we go. Where, here, little, have, look, good, come, said, away, funny, now, please, pretty, under, they, who. All right, you have a list of words on your paper, and you're going to read them silently for 1 minute. And go. All right, and stop. Circle the one you finished on. All right, now we have a list of morphemes and their meanings on the word, on the board. I'm going to say the morpheme, you're going to say the meaning. Con, com. M. Pro. Re. Trans. Duck, deuce, duct. Port. Scrib, scribe. Able, ibble. Ant, int. Or. Shun, shun, shun. Ed.
Grayson.
Now, let's take a look. We have a passage right here. And it says, Jada looked closely at the blank in front of her. We have a word bank right here. And we are trying to figure out what it could be. So that says, Jada looked closely at the report in front of her. If it is in blue on the board, you should be writing it as well. She had no idea who had blanked it, but they had been able to blank the blank words from Tyler's speech. She had no idea who transcribed it, but they had been able to reproduce the important words from Tyler's speech. Now her work began. Mr. Carpenter was expecting her to produce some good quotes from the transcription. She gathered her portable lamp and packed it in her bag with the rest of her tools. Her task was to inscribe the best quote on a small silver plate. The bag was heavy, but she knew the conductor would help her to get it on the train. Jada was meeting Mr. Carter at school. There, they would work together to make sure the plate was ready by Thursday. That was the day Tyler would be inducted into the Oak Grove Hall of Fame. You may pause the video here and allow the students time to copy down what is on the board. Okay? Now, this week we're looking at long vowel silent E. That is where we have a vowel followed by a consonant and an E at the end. The E at the end we do not hear because it is silent. The vowel says its name, so it is long. It is a long vowel sound. All right, I'm going to say a word, and we are going to clap it. Okay, everyone say widespread. Clap it. Widespread. First syllable. Second. What's the word? Great job. Take a look at the next one. Everyone say devote. Clap it. Devote. First syllable. Second. What's the word? Excellent job. All right, number 3. Everyone say female. Clap it. Female. First syllable. Second. What's the word? Excellent job. Number 4. Everyone say advise. Clap it. Advise. First syllable. Second. What's the word? Great job. All right, number 5. Everyone say decade. Clap it. Decade. All right, first syllable. Second. What's the word? Good job. Number 6. Everyone say conclude. Clap it. Conclude. First syllable. Second. What's the word? Excellent. Number 7. Everyone say pollute. Clap it. Pollute. First syllable. Second. What's the word? Good job. Number 8. Everyone say console. Clap it. Console. First syllable. Second. What's the word? Good job. Number 9. Everyone say invade. Clap it. Invade. First syllable. Second. What's the word? Great job. Number 10. Everyone say makeshift. Clap it. First syllable. Second. What's the word? Excellent job. Now, you can pause the video here and go back a little bit if this is something they need to copy down in their journals, okay? The next thing we're working on is 3 or 4 syllable words, 3+ syllable challenge, okay? So everyone say reproduce. Clap it. Reproduce. How many syllables is in that? 3. Good job. Everyone say description. Clap it. Description. How many syllables? 3 syllables. Great job. And the third word. Everyone say cooperate. Clap it. Cooperate. We have how many syllables? 4. Great job. You can pause the video here for them to copy it down. This is the end of the phonics lesson for today.